you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase lovely khadis and cottons. And one of my favorites and a very classy and awesome look untundi. And let's start with the mannequins. Yeah, the back to our collection. The sari which I am wearing is very pretty shade. Lovely pinkish orange. All over very pretty butterflies. It's a weave, Jamdani style weave. Complete a Jamdani weave andi. Buttas. The pure zari. And lovely border, pure kaddi border with the temples, and we got a lovely edge contrast which is in royal blue. And this is the gorgeous pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse self ostundi plain with border. You can go for a contrast blouse like this beautiful blouse. And this is from our brand. I teamed up this sari with this pretty blouse. For customized blouses, contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. It's beautiful pure khadi cotton sari. Pricing and details. It's 28,080 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2749. So, Heroes collection, khadis and cottons. Complete handloom chupinchibotnanu. Let's start with the another sari. And before going to the sari, to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma page subscribe cheyandi ma channel ni, like cheyandi, share cheyandi, and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another sari. It's beautiful green, lovely green. Kanchi cotton, complete downside and the floral jal with the thread weave, beige colored thread weave with elephants. It's a forest theme based on mata. Elephants, peacocks, horses, lions, rabbits, so many. And we got a border which is in brown color. This is the pallu, rich thread kaddi pallu. We got a self plain blouse like this. This is the blouse. Yeah. You can go for this color like maroon, dark brown kuda bond team up cheste. And then a Mangalagiri blouse, Mangalagiri cotton blouse. Sari pricing vachesi 6,300. Take a screenshot along with the code AI183. Pure Kanchi cotton. Next sari khadi vachesti. I just love this khadis. They are so amazing. Lovely pink color with yellow combination. Khadi Jamdani. A sari is completely plain and the border yellow color. It's a silk border andi, pure silk border with temples. Yeah, this is the pallu, Jamdani pallu, all over floral jal with birds. And blouse, yeah, it's a self blouse andi, plain untundi with border, running blouse. But I suggest you go for this pattu blouse andi, manchi raw silk yellow color. This yellow team up cheste matram solid untadi. And ee saree pricing and details, it's 9,760. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2378. So pretty andi, chala lovely ga undi. Next saree, one more khadi. Nothing beats khadi andi. Lovely red color with grey combination. Plain saree with the silk border and thread weave along with the temples. And this is the pallu with azari lines, rich kaddi. And the blouse, we got contrast. Wow, pink color. Yes, bondi kada. Yes. Saree pricing and details, it's 6,960. Take a screenshot along with the code L240. Khadi sarees పెద్దవాళ్ళే కట్టుకోవాలని లేదండి, ఎనీబడి కెన్ వేర్. బట్ ఆల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈస్ జస్ట్ టీమింగ్ అప్. మంచి స్లీవ్లెస్, యంగ్ వాళ్ళు కొంచెం స్లీవ్లెస్ బ్లౌజెస్ అలా వేసుకుని టీమప్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. సో దీనికి గ్రే కలర్ బ్లౌజ్తో టీమప్ చేస్తే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూసేద్దాం. Yes, yellow with stunning black. It's a very bright yellow. Plain saree, black silk border with a pink plain half inch lines, and we got a temples here. And lovely Jamdani pallu. And ee sarees lo highlight vachesi pallus andi. The pallus are very beautiful, a pure Jamdani weave. See, look at the weave. Complete tree, birds, florals, peacocks, parrots, and lovely kaddi downside. Down the pallu, rich kaddi. And let me show you the blouse. Yes, it's a self running blouse, plain with border. You can go for amazing black or pink color blouse. And saree pricing and details, it's 10,080. Take a screenshot along with the code H716. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yes, బాగున్నాయి కదా. Kanchi cotton, lovely Kanchi cotton, which is in navy blue shade, all over checks, rangoli design to checks vachai. And we got a very pretty buttas, rudraksh and peacocks, and floral vines border, floral jal border with elephants theme, elephants, peacocks, like a forest theme with maroon edge contrast. And this is the pallu, floral jal border with the animals and thread kaddi andi, thread weave to cross kaddi vachindi. And blouse self plain. కాటన్స్కి మ్యాక్సిమం మనకి సెల్ఫ్ బ్లౌజెస్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది, బికాస్ ఇదంతా ఒకటి వీవ్ కాబట్టి. సో యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఎనీ టీమ్ అప్ అనేది అని మన చేతుల్లో ఉంటుందండి. యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్. 4,950 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AB360. Sorry. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash on delivery option. And ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే, నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ సారీస్ అండి, మీకు వీడియో కాల్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా ఉంది. ఎలా అంటే జస్ట్ మీ కన్వీనియంట్ టైం మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 733 7000 నెంబర్కి. ఆ టైంలో మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ కావాలో చెప్తే దే విల్ బి షోయింగ్ యూ, అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఆల్సో you can select your favorite saree, and we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash delivery option. And this beautiful saree, which is in mustard yellow and red combination, lovely khadi with checks, color checks. It's an orange lines achayandi checks tho, and beautiful border which is in reddish orange with temples and zari lines. It's a silk border. It vachesi pattu border. You can feel it, right? Yeah. This is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. This is the blouse, running blouse with border. Saree price either మీరు ఈ కలర్ అయినా వేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ కానీ రెడ్ కలర్. అప్పర్ సైడ్ మనకి ఆరెంజ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఆరెంజ్ కానీ రెడ్ కానీ వేసుకోవచ్చు. సారీ ప్రైస్ ఇట్స్ 19,600. టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, yes, my favorite. Ikat. Beautiful Sambalpuri cotton with ikat weave, ikat design. This is Sambalpuri cotton. Very lovely brownish red, brownish and maroon shade. లవ్లీ ఇక్కత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ డిజైన్ ఫ్లవర్స్ వచ్చాయి. డౌన్ సైడ్ అంతా మనకి మట్కాస్ కలుష్యం లాగా వచ్చింది. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, డార్క్ మరూన్, అండ్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ వీ గాట్ అ బ్లాక్ కలర్ బార్డర్ అండ్ ప్లెయిన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఇక్కత్ డిజైన్డ్ పల్లు, కంప్లీట్ విత్ డైమండ్స్ అండ్ టెంపుల్స్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లౌజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వి గెట్ ద బ్లౌజ్, maroon color. Too pretty and lovely saree, so classy. 7,380 is the price. AI109 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. ఏదైనా హయ్యర్ అఫీషియల్ మీటింగ్స్ కానీ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ మీటింగ్స్ కానీ ఉన్నప్పుడు జస్ట్ వే సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ అండి. యూ లుక్ సింప్లీ అమేజింగ్ అండ్ so elegant, swear. అండ్ చాలా హుందాగా ఉంటాయి సారీస్ అనేది. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ బ్లూ కలర్, మీకు లైట్గా షేడెడ్ వస్తుంది, కల్నేది వస్తుంది, తెలుస్తుందా? ఇలా అంటే లైట్గా అండి, లైట్ కల్నేద సారీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్ ఈ షేడ్లో ఉంది మనకి. ఏదైతే బార్డర్ వచ్చిందో ఆ షేడ్ మనకు కనపడుతుంది సారీలో, మస్టర్డ్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పట్టు బార్డర్ విత్ టెంపుల్స్, పింకిష్ మస్టర్డ్ కలర్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు, జామ్దని పల్లు, ఫ్లోరల్స్, ట్రీ, బ్యూటిఫుల్ బర్డ్స్. అండ్ డౌన్ సైడ్ మనకి కడ్డీ కూడా ఉంది. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్. యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ పింక్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ అండి. పింక్ కూడా బాగుంటుంది, మస్టర్డ్ కూడా బాగుంటుంది. సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్స్ 9,760. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ MJ2376. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ lovely beige and bright pink khadi cotton, plain saree with pattu border, silk border with zari lines, checks and kaddi along with the temples, contrast pink color border, pallu rich kaddi pallu, blouse we got contrast pink color. ఇందులోనే మనకి పింక్ మిక్స్ అయింది థ్రెడ్, సో మనకి yellow and pink tint వస్తుంది. and this is the border. Saree pricing and details, it's 19,450. Take a screenshot along with the code L239. Saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Lovely kanchi cotton which is in navy blue, actually navy blue shade. Complete floral jal with animal print and animals and trees weave. చాలా ఉన్నాయండి. డీర్స్, ఎలిఫెంట్స్, పికాక్స్, ప్యారెట్స్, tigers అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. And this is the peacock border which is in maroon color. This is the pallu, diamond brocade, peacocks, floral vines. It's complete thread border. And this is the contrast blouse. We got contrast blouse వచ్చింది. ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ డార్క్ బ్రౌన్ అండి. ఇది మనకి బేస్ కూడా So let's see this beautiful saree. Yeah. Dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Now next saree, and for more daily deals log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, and do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Pedama Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Next lovely saree which is in grey, beautiful plain khadi saree. In border is puttu border with pink and green lines. In the middle we got thread weave, diamonds and florals. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, we got a contrast beige color, beautiful blouse. Different gandhi, koncham unique gandhi. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,240. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ950. Next saree, lovely green color, green and pink, plain khadi cotton saree with pattu border which is in pink color. Pallu vachesi jamdini, complete stems, flowers, and downside we got a kaddi border, rich kaddi. Blouse vachesi running blouse, we got a seam. This is the blouse. You can go for this color and plain alage baaguntundi. Young girls, you can go for sleeveless blouse for this. Superb untadi. You know, Nayanthara garu ekku prefer chestarandi this kind of sarees. Nayan prefers a lot. చాలా అంటే చాలా క్లాసీ లుక్ ఉంటుందండి. చాలా అంటే చాలా క్లాసీగా ఉంటుంది. వన్ ఆఫ్ మై మోస్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ అనమాట. అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇది హ్యాండ్లూమ్స్ కాబట్టి మరీ మరీ ఇష్టం. 888 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code T647. These are pure handlooms. Next saree, lovely navy blue with mustard combination, plain khadi cotton saree, beautiful silk border with florals and diamonds along with the temples. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. In the blouse we got contrast blouse, magenta pink with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 6,960. Take a screenshot along with the code Q86. Next saree. It's a Kanchi cotton. Beautiful color and very pretty magenta wine mixed shades. చిన్న పికాక్ బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయి, ముద్దుగా ఉన్నాయి చాలా. కలర్స్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్తో వచ్చాయి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్ విత్ ఎలిఫెంట్స్ అండ్ పికాక్స్ వైన్స్ with green edge contrast. This is the pallu. Beautiful peacocks, temples, florals and thread kaddi in the middle. Blouse vachesi running blouse. ఇలా plain ఉంటుంది with border. 4,950 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AI182. Next beautiful saree vachesthundi Sambalpuri cotton. Gorgeous Sambalpuri cotton which is in blue and maroon shade. Complete ikat weave with triangles, big triangles, temples, huge temples, florals. And this is the border which is in maroon color, thread weave along with the ikat weave. Contrast maroon color border. And this is the pallu, complete contrast with beautiful floral motifs here. Ikat florals, ikat style lo undandi. And blouse, it's a contrast blouse. Yes, maroon color, plain with border, very gorgeous and deadly combination. Saree pricing and details. 12,330. Take a screenshot along with the code AI110. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. It's a paithani. It's a cotton lo paithani and idi. Beautiful. It's a magenta shade. Buttas vache mango buttas, zari buttas, and lovely kaddi lines. Border, pallu, rich paithani pallu with zari lines, rich kaddi with florals, Jamdani style florals, and blouse, plain self color with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 8,300. Take a screenshot along with the code AI181. Next saree. Lovely green and pink combination khadi cotton plain saree with silk pattu border with temples, contrast border and rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, running blouse. Self plain with border. You can go for contrast pink color blouse. Saree pricing and details. It's 4,265. Take a screenshot along with the code AI111. Next gorgeous saree. Yeah, my favorite. Stunning black and orange combination. Plain gorgeous khadi saree with silk border, orange color contrast with temples, zari lines and checks, kaddi. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu downside. Blouse, we got a contrast blouse, maroon color with border. Saree pricing and details. To 20,800. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ5241. ఇలా పెద్ద బార్డర్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కొంచెం పెద్దవాళ్ళు తీసుకోవచ్చండి. అండ్ ఇలా చిన్న చిన్న బార్డర్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎనీ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ కెన్ వేర్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ పింక్ కలర్ విత్ yellow, మస్టర్డ్ yellow కాంబినేషన్. పట్టు బార్డర్ విత్ టెంపుల్స్ అండ్ జామ్దని పల్లు. బ్యూటిఫుల్ జామ్దని వీవ్ అనమాట, ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్. Blouse. It's a self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 9,760. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ2404. So gorgeous sarees, very lovely. Next saree. Lovely grey with pink combination. Plain saree with beautiful border. Contrast pink color silk border with temples. And this is the Jamdani pallu, florals and stems, along with a rich kadhi downside. Blouse. Yeah, you got a running blouse. Illa kuda baguntundandi either ways, or else you can go for this pretty pink color, plain. 9,520 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ946. Yes, నేను కట్టుకున్న సారీ కలరే వచ్చేస్తుంది, బట్ ప్రింట్ డిఫరెంట్, ఆల్ ఓవర్గా వచ్చింది. Super rich, gorgeous khadi cotton with all over Jamdani weave. It's very, very typical weave, and Jamdani is very tough weave. Among the all weaves, Jamdani weave is very tough. Beautiful peacocks, florals and parrots. Very pretty and gorgeous. Pure zari border. And this is the pallu, rich kadhi pallu. And blouse, super pretty, plain blouse. Self color with border. You can wear it like this, or else you can team up like this. And for such kind of beautiful and gorgeous customized blouses, do contact us on our brand. R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand mother, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing dupattas, lehengas and blouses, contact Pingazon 733-733-7000. And this pretty saree pricing and details 42,640. It's overall Jamdani weave. A508 is the price. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సారీ లవ్లీ bluish grey. It's not completely blue, it's not grey, blue grey mixed లో ఉందండి షేడ్. Lovely khadi cotton, plain saree with a rich kadhi border, silver kadhi border, and pallu vachesi is completely Jamdani, floral stems and leaves, and downside we got a silver kadhi. Blouse, yeah, it's a running blouse, plain with border, self color. You can go for silver color blouse. Saree pricing and details. 9,760. Take screenshot along with the code MJ2374. So ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా, లవ్లీ పీచిష్ రెడ్ కలర్ విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ జామ్దని వీవ్ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Now back to our collection. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Padma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, Dibotari in Hyderabad. Wow. It's a mint green, beautiful mint green, plain saree, Downside and the Jamdani weave with stems, zari stems and meenakari florals, lotus achai, multicolors. And we got a kaddi border downside. It's a khadi cotton with Jamdani weave. This is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 9,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 108. Beautiful. Next sari. Yeah, it's a black and maroon Kanchi cotton. Beautiful and very fabulous. All over zari checks. Thread checks. And this is the border, contrast border with thread weave, peacocks and horses. మనకి చెక్స్ లో peacocks, horses and rudraksh buttas వచ్చాయి ఇక్కడ. And this is the pallu, complete diamond brocade and peacocks and checks. Everything is in thread weave. Blouse, running blouse, plain with border, self color. 4,950. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 186. Beautiful. Next saree. It's pink color, magenta pink, all over orange thread through cross checks with peacocks and rudraksh buttas, and beautiful border, mustard color with green edge contrast. This is the pallu, beautiful leaf brocade, thread brocade. Blouse, self magenta, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,940. Kanchi cotton. Next saree. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉన్నాయండి సారీస్ మాత్రం. టూ గుడ్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. మీటింగ్స్కి మాత్రం కరెక్ట్ యాప్ట్గా ఉంటాయి ఈ సారీస్ అన్నీ. అండ్ చాలా కంఫర్ట్ ఉంటాయి, స్కిన్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ ఉంటాయి, లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి, ఇచ్చి ఉండదు ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. అండ్ ఎలా డ్రైప్ చేసుకుంటే అలాగే ఉంటాయి. లవ్లీ సంబల్పూరి కాటన్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ బ్లాక్ కాంబినేషన్. వెరీ ప్రెటీ ఆస్టెక్ కాంబినేషన్. అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ అంతా ఇక్కత్ వీవ్ వచ్చింది విత్ బ్లాక్స్ అండ్ falling leaves laga vachayala. This is the border which is in contrast diamonds and ikat florals. Pallu, complete contrast pallu with ikat weave and thread weave. Chala lovely ga undi. And the blouse, let me show you the blouse. Where is the blouse? Yes, we got a running blouse andi. You can go for contrast black color blouse. Saree pricing and details. 3,690. Take a screenshot along with the code Q371. Lovely Sambalpuri cotton. Peach color khadi cotton with Jamdani weave. Rich kaddi border. And downside we got lovely stems with florals, which is lotus andi. Pallu very rich kaddi pallu. Blouse running blouse, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 107. Next saree. It's lovely khadi again, maroon shade and red color border. So saree is completely plain. Border vachesi diamond brocade, thread brocade. Contrast red color border. Pallu anta kadi lines. Blouse, running blouse. Blouse. It's 4,150 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code Q83. Dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Khadi cotton, plain saree. It's a pale shade lo undandi. It's a olive green pale shade lo unte ala untadi ala undi with pink combination. Bright pink. Pattu border andi idi. Kaddi with zari checks and temples. And this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse contrast with border. Saree pricing and details. 20,800. Take a screenshot along with the code L247. Next saree. Beautiful Sambalpuri cotton saree vachestundi. Blue and maroon color. Lovely. Ikat design and the blocks, geometric pattern blocks vachai. We got a lions with feathers. Florals here. This is the pallu, complete florals. Chala beautiful ga undi. Ikat weave, typical ikat weave, maroon color pallu, border kuda contrast maroon color. Thread weave as well as ikat weave, and blouse contrast vachindi. We got a contrast blouse here. Yes, this is the gorgeous blouse we got for the saree. Saree pricing and details. It's 12,330. Take a screenshot along with the code Q373. Let's see this saree overall look once. Wow, lovely kanchi cotton, which is in white color, half white. Beautiful rangoli design to checks vachai. We got Rudraksh and peacock buttas in it. Lovely floral jal border with animals weave. And this is the pallu, cross gadi lines with floral jal border with animals. Complete thread weave. The blouse is self plain with border. Too good, Andy, too good. Very lovely. Saree pricing and details. It's 4,950. Take a screenshot along with the code AI179. Such a pretty shade and very lovely. Indaka chuinchanu kada Sambalpuri cotton saree. Let's have a quick look and I'll be coming in a while. Next saree. It's a reddish orange కంచి కాటన్ సారీ 1000 బుట్టా సారీ అంటారు కదండి, అలా ఆల్ ఓవర్గా చెక్స్ వచ్చి పీకాక్ బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, పీకాక్స్, zigzag design, and this is the pallu, complete thread weave with paisleys, florals and peacocks. And the blouse, self plain with border. Manchi tomato red color. Yes, correct color dorikindi, tomato red color. Saree pricing and details, it's 4950. Take a screenshot along with the code AF178. Next saree, gorgeous kanchi cotton saree, complete a floral jal in the middle with animal weave, birds and animals. Beautiful plain beige color border, madhyalo vachi half white and borders are beige plain with black color, peacocks and elephant border. This is the pallu, rich thread kaddi, elephant border, beautiful. And blouse vachesi, yeah, running blouse. Saree pricing and details, it's 5399. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on AI175 is the code. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, yeah, beautiful beige with pink combination, all over thread checks with peacocks and rudraksh buttas. Border, zigzag border with leaf border. This is the pallu, cross kaddi with elephants, peacocks. Blouse, yeah, this is the blouse, self plain andi with border. Saree pricing and details, it's 4770. Take a screenshot along with the code AI176. Next saree, yeah, beautiful, like very pretty pink shade andi, peach and pink ala mixed shade lo undi. Checks with diamonds and round buttas, peacock border green color, pallu completely peacocks, elephants and floral jal with animals weave. And this is the blouse, self plain with border. Saree pricing and details, it's 4950. Take a screenshot along with the code AB362. Next saree, it's a navy blue kanchi cotton with checks, beautiful border with peacocks and elephants, cross kaddi, and we got a blue edge contrast. Pallu complete ga thread kaddi, yalis, peacocks, elephants vachai. Blouse, it's a self plain blouse with border. Saree pricing and details, 4950. Take a screenshot along with the code AB354. Next saree, it's a maroon color, magenta maroon color, checks with 1000 butta saree laga undandi, beautiful ga undi, kanchi cotton, peacocks and rudraksh buttas and zigzag border with a green edge contrast. Pallu, lovely cross kaddi with elephants and peacocks, everything is in thread weave. Blouse, self plain with border. Saree pricing and details, it's 4770. Take a screenshot along with the code AI177. Next saree, yeah, it's a very pretty khaki shade, plain with black cross cutty border. Pallu so colorful, beautiful. Koncham Jamdini style lo ochindandi, peacocks and diamonds. Wow, awesome blouse, yeah. Too good. Inta muddugundo blouse. This is the weave. Chala బాగుంది. All over the triangular lines వచ్చాయి. మల్టీ కలర్స్. బాగుంది కదా. సారీ ప్లెయిన్ గా వచ్చినందుకు బ్లౌజ్ ఇలా వచ్చింది. చాలా బాగుంటుందండి వేసుకుంటే. సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 4950. ఇట్స్ అ కంచి కాటన్. బట్ డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ యూనిక్. డిఫరెంట్ గా పళ్ళు కూడా బాగుంది. డిఫరెంట్ గా. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ ఇందులో మనం బేజ్ చూసాం గుర్తుందా? సేమ్ అదే షేడ్లో అండి. హాఫ్ వైట్ అండ్ బేజ్ లాగే. పర్పుల్, లైట్ పర్పుల్ అండ్ డార్క్ పర్పుల్. మిడిల్ అంతా ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ విత్ animals weave. And this is the plain border contrast with elephant and peacock border downside. And this is the pallu, rich thread kaddi, cross kaddi. Blouse వచ్చేసి సేమ్ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్, కాకపోతే ప్లెయిన్ వచ్చింది విత్ బార్డర్స్. సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 5399. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ అండ్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. Maroon and green kanchi cotton with stripes, lovely borders with yellow thread paisleys and beige thread to paisleys, peacocks and elephants ochai with florals. And this is the beautiful pallu with peacocks, paisleys and peacocks, elephants. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details, it's 5490. Take a screenshot along with the code AI187. Next saree, beautiful ikat cotton, blue and red, all over ikat diamonds and florals, round buttas, plain border contrast with lines. And this is the pallu with diamonds and florals. And this is the blouse contrast, plain with border. Saree price 6030. Take a screenshot along with the code J12. Next saree, beautiful ikat cotton, black and maroon with white touch. Very beautiful. Diamonds all over, cross checks and diamonds. Plain black color border with lines. And this is the pallu, diamonds and florals, blocks and metal. Plain black color. And blouse, yes, this is the blouse itself. Saree pricing and details, it's 6030. Take a screenshot along with the code J87. Next saree, Sambalpuri cotton, beautiful mustard and brown mixed. Very pretty florals and downside different design with florals and overlapping florals and border contrast maroon color with round buttas, thread weave. This is the gorgeous contrast pallu with complete ikat weave and lines. Blouse, it's contrast red color blouse with border. Saree pricing and details, it's 8280. Take a screenshot along with the code Q376. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? If not, have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Next saree. It's a Paithani cotton, blue color, all over paslays and zari lines border. Rich Paithani pallu. Very beautiful, rich kaddi with peacocks and munias. Blouse, self andi. Plain blouse with border, self color. Sari pricing and details. It's 8,300. Next sari, Kanchi cotton again. Green and maroon, all over checks. Beautiful border, peacocks and horses. Pallu, diamond brocade with paslays and peacocks. Everything is in thread weave. And the blouse, it's a self plain blouse with border. You can go for maroon color blouse. Sari price 4,950. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 184. Next sari, which is my favorite Khadi sari. It's a Khadi cotton again, lovely beige shade, all over star buttas. Jamdani, even Jamdani weave andi, very toughest to weave. And this is the border, kaddi border with a purple edge contrast. And this is the pallu, Jamdani, floral, buttas. Downside we got rich kaddi. Blouse vachesi running blouse. But you can team up like this. Illa bauntundi actually sarees ki. And for customized blouses, contact our brand, or for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Saree pricing and details, 3,000 to 40. Take a screenshot along with the code L238. Next, Kanchi cotton. It's a peacock blue shade with a pink combination all over. Checks with the Ridraksh and peacock buttas and lovely border with zigzag border, peacocks, yalis, peacocks and Ridraksh. Contrast border and self-colored pallu with zigzag design, yalis and peacocks, florals. Blouse, it's a self-colored blouse plain with border. And the pricing and details of the sari, it's 5,670 Kanchi cotton. Next pretty sari, Khadi cotton, which is in grey, and we got a mint green silk border, plain sari, zari checks and temples, kaddi, and this is the pallu, rich kaddi pallu, self color, and the blouse is contrast for this, plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 20,800. Take a screenshot along with the code L241. And to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. To subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let's look into see one more beautiful and gorgeous sari. Khadi is coming on my way. Lovely pink Khadi sari, plain with rich kaddi border and temples. And this is the pallu, complete Jamdani weave, florals, peacocks and stems, and ended up with rich kaddi. And the blouse, beautiful blouse, wow, very pretty blouse. This is for sleeves and body. We got Jamdani weave. Sari pricing and details, it's 13,280. Take a screenshot along with the code D582. The saris are very unique, Andy. So let's move on to see Money Queen saris and their prices. Stunning, super gorgeous black, deadly combination, black and pink. All over Jamdani weave, stems, leaves, DS, ducks, peacocks, super pretty and super. See the weave, how gorgeous it is. Wow, so fabulous. ఆ చెట్లు చూడండి ఎంత ముద్దుగా ఉన్నాయి. ఇది జామ్దని వీవ్ ఇస్ ద వెరీ టఫెస్ట్ వీవ్ అండి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పట్టు బార్డర్ వీ గాట్ పింక్ కలర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద గార్జియస్ పళ్ళు అండ్ అప్ విత్ కడ్డీ. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా మనకి సెల్ఫ్ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ pink color blouse or such kind of pretty blouses you can go for. This is from our brand. And ee saree pricing and details, it's 50,400. Take a screenshot along with the code A507. Next saree, stunning red color khadi cotton, beautiful plain saree. This is the border, silk border with thread diamonds and temples. And this is the beautiful Jamdani zari flow. Wow, stems. Either here we got monkeys here. Have you seen? Look at the weave, how stunning they are. Big florals, so gorgeous and super gorgeous. And this is the blouse actually. And saree pricing and details, it's 18,320. Take a screenshot along with the code L242. And this Banarasi blouse is from our brand. Next saree, it's a beige and green combination, khadi cotton, plain saree with pattu border, silk border with temples, and pallu, Jamdani pallu. Here it is. Yeah, florals with kaddi. Blouse kuda running blouse vastundi, self plain. You can go for such kind of blouses. Saree pricing and details, it's 9,760. And this is from our brand, beautiful blouse. R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన sarees, let's have a quick look. Beautiful and stunning sarees. Hope you all liked our beautiful collection. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Yeah. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ గార్జియస్ కలెక్షన్స్, ఖాదీస్, లవ్లీ ఖాదీస్ అండ్ సూపర్ కంచి కాటన్ శారీస్. మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000 నెంబర్కి. అండ్ దిస్ లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఐజీటీవీ, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా 24 అవర్స్లో ఈ వీడియో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అవైలబుల్లో చూసుకొని ఈ వ్యూవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్కి సొంతం చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Rebut live lo malli kalustanu. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay fit, stay healthy.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.